Hello guys, I have just arrived in Hilton apartment. So guys, this is just the door, and then here we have wardrobe where you can keep your clothes. Then here we have another wardrobe because it's a sharing, right? Only two people. Yeah, this is where I will be staying, guys, for the next coming 2 years or 3 years. I don't know. This is our bathroom. Yes, it's quite small. And this is how it is. It's clean. Perfect. Clean. As you can see my hair. I did my hair yesterday, by the way. If you want to do your hair, I did my hair back in Satwa. That was in Satwa. I'm not a Satwa person right now. Satwa, if you want the girl who made my hair, yes, I will definitely share her number. So yes guys, this is our bathroom. There's a bathroom here. And the bathroom, yes, actually this bathroom. It's a sharing. let me know. I think let me to choose which is better. I think this one is quite more. No. Which one? I think this one, because it has these one drawers. Yes, I will pick this one. Yes, I have to pick that one. I don't think this one, it doesn't have closing something to lock. Yes, I will definitely take this one. And then what about the beds? The beds, I will take this one because I want to place. I will place my bag here. It's quite huge, so my bag will stay there. Then this is my bed. The bed comes with this a new pillowcase. Yeah, pillowcase. And then we have towel and a new sheet. Yes, and then here beside we have a wow. That comes with a biscuit, Rexona, and a lot of things. Nothing else. What about this place? Oh my god. I had already bought mine. Anyway, it's okay. Then here we have rules and regulations. Of course, I have to read them. We have a makeup drawer.